I'm Tanya. I'm a graphic designer here at Primary. Today you're going to need a potato, some paper, a knife, a paintbrush, a pencil, and some paint. You're going to start by cutting the potato in half and loosely drawing a shape of your choice on one of the halves of the potato. Next, take your knife and cut off a thin layer off the top of the potato without cutting the shape. You can use the tip of your knife to carve out little corners as well as the inside of the shape, like the middle of the flower. Make sure that there is a grown-up present for this part of the tutorial. Next, take a paintbrush and some paint of your choice and brush over the shape that you just created. Using the stamp, press it around a piece of paper to create a pattern. You can use multiple colors on the same stamp, just don't forget to wash it in between uses. Using this technique, you can create multiple stamps and create a beautiful pattern with multiple shapes and colors. Use the stamp to create wrapping paper or holiday cards.